I recently had the pleasure of trying out the Legendairy Milk Pumping Spray, and I must say, it has been a game-changer for my breastfeeding journey. As a new mom, I've faced my fair share of challenges, including sore nipples and clogged ducts. This organic lubricant has proven to be an invaluable tool in overcoming these obstacles. First and foremost, I appreciate that the Legendairy Milk Pumping Spray is made from organic ingredients. As a vegan, it's important to me that the products I use align with my values. This spray is not only vegan-friendly but also lanolin-free, which is a huge plus for those with lanolin sensitivities. One of the standout features of this product is its effectiveness in soothing sore nipples. The spray provides instant relief, allowing me to continue pumping without discomfort. It has significantly reduced the pain and tenderness I experienced during pumping sessions, making the entire process much more enjoyable. Additionally, the Legendairy Milk Pumping Spray has been instrumental in preventing and treating clogged ducts. By using this spray regularly, I've noticed a significant decrease in the occurrence of clogs. It helps to keep my breast shields and flanges lubricated, ensuring a smooth and efficient pumping experience. Another aspect that sets this product apart is its quality. Made in the USA, the Legendairy Milk Pumping Spray is crafted with care and attention to detail. The spray bottle is easy to use, and the formula is gentle on the skin. I appreciate that it is free from harsh chemicals, providing peace of mind for both me and my baby. In terms of value for money, the 4 ounces bottle of Legendairy Milk Pumping Spray goes a long way. A little goes a long way, and I've found that a few sprays are sufficient for each pumping session. The bottle is compact and travel-friendly, making it convenient for on-the-go moms like myself. Overall, I highly recommend the Legendairy Milk Pumping Spray to all breastfeeding moms out there. It has been a lifesaver for me, providing relief from sore nipples and preventing clogged ducts. With its organic and vegan-friendly formula, it's a product I feel good about using. If you're looking for a natural and effective solution to enhance your pumping experience, look no further than this fantastic spray.